This is the Croydon, West Croydon bus station. It's a very busy station that connects a lot of places. West Croydon bus station, very busy. You made my heart fly. I thought you've sacked me again. You were resting. Okay. Okay. No, no problem. I'm still alive. Just yesterday I was waiting. My guest had the children and the grandchildren come over. So I just locked myself inside the room. I didn't want to disturb them. Before I came down, about 10 o'clock, my stomach, so I'm going to leave it now. I'll just buy a few things. But the guy has started again. I just left the house. This evening he said, oh, you have a 15. I'm not having it for more than a month. So he just told me now, But there's no going to die. Yeah, he just 15th, yeah. Yeah, he just told me now. I was sitting with him. We were having a very beautiful chat. All of a sudden, he just bumped. Yes. He just.
You see?
What did you say?
Some people don't want no good family. Good mama with this. How you do that?
I don't understand. Okay, I'm going to get to the sense of me. The most important thing, if one gets a job, it becomes easier. It's the job that is the problem. Yeah, I know. Yeah, he even said, I'm begging you, please, let us come and make it. So I said, I'm making so I just need to do what is needed. Yes, as he just said it again today. Yes. Yes. being honest, I tend to. No problem. Yes, if I'm being honest, I'm planning to go to America for on the sometime in May, maybe like the 15th of May, and then come back and then I'll go back to this. Yes, yes. Yeah. 15th of May. Man, that will give me the best piece of May. I can now arrange other things. I've done everything online. I've done everything. My ex document. Of course, it's a long time ago, so. Yes, I know the I know the court, but when I went to the court, they said everything is online. That's my only savior. My only savior is if I have, if you don't have the number, you don't search. Yes, yes, but they will still, they will not have to search. Yes, yes, big money is not 66. One is saying 65 pounds, one is saying, so that's where the problem is. That's why I now went to her. And she was very cooperative. So I'm not going to. And then don't forget that you cannot be able to search everywhere. I don't know her present position, whether she can go upstairs or whatever. Yeah, she has a room downstairs. And this guy was telling me, I said, if I talk to somebody and the person says to me, oh, when are we seeing? Then I can't be seeing the person. I'm not going to at this point in time. Somebody's number to call that will be useful to him. He now say, oh, the person must call me. So I said to him, oh, you would call. Because when I came, I called everybody, say, I'm around. Do you understand? Okay, I now spoke to my sister. Why? Come on. Oh, this one is so busy. You have to wake up. I said, just tell them. When I was in London, they used to come and do sleepover in my house, even when they were babies. So when my wife was saying, oh, it's going to rape them, it's going to, girls, small girls, this is not my house, their parents will leave them. Yes, and they told me, when I used to work for Tesco, one of the girls lives opposite Tesco. She's bought a house, my sister's daughter. Every time he says, Uncle, I'm only going to buy you bread or something. I'm not buying you anything else. I want you to be healthy. Those girls, I used to carry them. So my sister is serious. So when I speak to her, no. I said when they were small. No, it has nothing to do with what my wife said. I bought the house after I divorced my wife. I had my house. No, my sister, they won't do that. Because some people, you know, like a womanizer, will be taken differently from someone. Yes, a womanizer will don't think every woman is. I've traveled, one time I was in America, there were about 6 of us that traveled, Never people were women. One person in the same room and everything, nobody killed anybody. Oh, you go and have your bath, let them have their bath. If you see the amount of money we saved, because we were doing a road tour from Dallas to Florida. We're doing it was a big truck, and there were other guys too. You understand? So, but it was the girls who were my pilot. All of us, you just put your leg on the bed like this. You know, there are relationships you have. Somebody will not be afraid. I looked after children. There are some children, girls even I looked after as babies. when I was growing up. So it's not a matter of, you know, not to go and stay in your name now. I have DBS. I don't have any, I've never even been arrested. You know, why would I go and be doing something to your relatives? No, my mom, my wife was using the last card she had. She was just screwing herself, not me. You know. At the end of the day, you see that everything backfired. Did I tell you that she had won a big Labour Party election? She would have won the election. The Indian woman now went and dug up some things. And then guess who told me? It's not you that told me. It's the lady herself that told me. He said, oh my, it's she that told me the story. It's not somebody else. Yes. It's she that told me. He said, oh my God, I missed a very big opportunity. In my mind, I was laughing because you caused it. I never even saw the divorce paper, neither did I sign anything. But for you to go and, if you say, oh, let's divorce, let's go, then it's okay. But not for you to be telling them I will screw the children. I told you that when the social worker finished dealing with us, I told you they put us in one room. Yes, we went too far. You know, we went too far. And then at the end of the day, the whole thing backfired. You know? Like now, I'm not able to see my second son. I've been calling him, he's not picking his phone. My sister said, oh, call him with another number. I said, no. Why would I call him with another number? I'm not calling him with another number. Never. I speak to the other brother and the mom. I speak to both of them. I send him message. So I'll keep calling him. Yeah? Yeah. You know that I'm just going to tell the brother that I know kind of son and my son. And I don't want to tell the brother that kind of son. We'll just be doing it for a while. If I don't see him in this one, when I come next time, I must see him. Whatever the matter will be sorted out. At the moment, I have to rescue myself. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, but I say, how many partners okay, no wahala. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm just entering Strata to go and see those my friends. Yeah. Later. Okay, bye.